How's it going, guys? This is Neil for Car Light Cleaner. So, I had my training videos for sale for years. So, because now it's been a while, and I think the last training video was like 2019, I am now going to go ahead and just post all those videos up here on YouTube. So, this is really a run to get 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost at the halfway point. So, now we're going to go ahead and just try to really ratchet it up. So I won't be doing another training video, but these training videos that you'll be seeing here on YouTube is sufficient enough to get you started off with the basics. Now, there are things that have changed in terms of headlight restoration applications. So, there's technology is always kind of moving forward, but you'll learn the basics with the training videos that you'll see here at Headlight Training. And so, you'll see me deal with real clients. And I'm going to tell you about real client situations. And there's things that, you don't want to say to customers and things that you do want to inform them about. You might have questions about, well, how long does the acetone keeps that's the vapor treatment of the headlight. How long does it keep it clear? And, you're going to find those things out. Sometime I'll give those answers when people leave a post, and I'll just post them back. So, if you see some of those here on this channel, you'll be able to go ahead and find the answers to that. So go ahead and give me some likes, subscribe. Definitely need to subscribe, because if you are someone who wants to learn the business of headlight restoration, you want to definitely be in tune to the next video, training video that I'll be uploading. So there's a number of them, quite a few. So it's going to take a little while getting it up, but hopefully it'll be at a pace where you'll be able to assimilate the knowledge from the training videos that you'll see right here on my channel. Okay, so just thought I'd do this little short video. I am still alive and kicking. I am somewhat retired, but I still have my expertise in doing headlight restoration. I've been doing it since 2015. So, but if you have any questions, you can always leave that in the comment box, and I'll try to get back with you with a reply. And these videos that you're going to see here is going to really be in depth. You're not just going to see a basic, process of, restoring the headlights from beginning to end. When it comes to doing this as a side job, you want to know the interaction with clients, the things you need to really be careful with when you're getting ready to treat their headlights, so that, you can avoid liability. So I really hope that you guys really enjoy these videos. This is going to be free on this channel here, but the more you want to learn, then you definitely want to subscribe, so that you'll get a chance to see more of these that I put up. So it's going to take me a while to put these videos up. I don't know if maybe there's like over 50 of them, maybe close to 50, but it's going to take some time to get them all up. So you'll learn the basic procedures of the grit size that you progress through, how to prepare the headlights, doing the vapor treatment with the acetone. I got those videos, and of course the treatment with the auto ceramic, the traditional auto ceramic. Then there's other applications that people do. I won't really display those in the training videos, but you'll get my opinion on those, because some of those, especially like the spray on, you'll find out about those. Anyway, okay, guys. Just want to let you know that I'm going to be putting those training videos up. So get ready. Subscribe so that you can see the next video that I'm going to put up to get you going from start to finish. All righty. You guys take care. This is Neil. And I'm just keeping it real. Catch you around. Enjoy the videos.